Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you folks about the Boston Whaler 2021 320 Vantage in Horizon Blue. The Horizon Blue is absolutely beautiful. It's also powered by the twin Mercury 300s, and it's got underwater lights. It's set up really good. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 320 Vantage. Reminder at the back, we've got the new Mercs, twin 300s, ton of horsepower for this boat. Right up, hops right on plane, good top end, so great motors. In the back, very comfortable if you just go into the beach or going out for lunch or sunset or whatever it may be, so you get a very comfortable lounger. If you are going to fish for the day, you can just fold it back up. It's a nice leaning post, so really nice combination of a seat right there. Then you've got the dive door / boarding door, and it's just a phenomenal item as far as the safety getting off the boat, because a lot of the docks are come up level with it, so they're floaters, so it's one level. It's the safest way to get on and off the boat versus the back of the boat, so nice feature. We also put the ladder down there. It's a heavy duty ladder, 4-step ladder, and then it has a rail, so when you're coming back in, you get something to grab onto versus the side of the boat. So just nice feature. And if you are fishing, coming over the gunnel, it's where you lose fish when all the weight is out of the water versus half the fish is still in the water. You drag them over, put them in the fish box, clean them in the fish, unhook them. Just a really nice combination all the way around. We do have a live well. It's very conveniently located right here. It's good size. Also doubles very nicely as a cooler. And if you're not going to fish, you can put all your drinks in there, ice it down, it's self-draining, so nice feature. This seat does a little bit of everything. It's fantastic. So you got opposing seating. I've got a table that goes right here for your drinks and hors d'oeuvres. And then if you want to start playing with it, you can come down. And I can lounge facing forward this way. I can lower it down. And now you can lounge facing this way. So really cool seat. Big storage under both seating areas here. The dive ladder's in there as well. And then the passenger seat is really nice, really comfortable. It's adjustable. It comes up and down hydraulically, so really nice passenger seat. Then you've got a little cabin. So if you need to get out of the weather, get out of the sun for a little bit, it's that'll actually turn into a bed. So a couple people could lay down in there. So really nice feature on this boat, especially if you run into a little stormy weather. You can go down there, get out of the weather, come back out again. So the Helm Area, really nice setup here. You've got the two Raymarine touchscreens. You get the digital throttle and shift. You get the auto trim tabs on it, and then but it's got a spotlight on this particular boat, but it also has the joystick. The joystick is fantastic. I can just make the boat go completely sideways, full control of the boat. Also, it's got skyhook on it, so if I'm waiting for a slip assignment, I can just hit the button, locks me in position. I can put my lines and fenders all out. Boat's not moving around on me. It's really great, and also it's great for sunset. What I like to use at the end of the day is point the bow at the sunset, locks you right in there, so you don't need your anchor at all. Get the most comfortable seats of the lounges. Sit there, have a glass of wine. You're facing the sunset. When you're done, you hit the button, you go home. It's a really nice feature. And then lastly, it's got the auto heading. It's an autopilot. It's a point and shoot. Point the boat at where you want it to go, and then you hit the button, and it just takes you there. You actually will get to your destination quicker and burn less fuel by using the auto heading. So very nice. We've got the head. So it's a very large, very comfortable head. It's got a skylight in it. So plenty of room, and you can actually take a shower. So it's got a bench seat. You can, if you want to go to dinner, if you're at the beach all day and you get a swimsuit and you want to go to a restaurant, you can rinse yourself off, throw some clothes back on. Really nice. So lastly, we've got really big lounge area up here. Obviously the filler cushion comes out, but the chairs themselves, this is a double right here, and you got another one over here, but a big area. And you have, which is pretty cool, you've got the beach boarding ladder. So you've got the windlass down there. If you do need the anchor, you've got it, but the beach boarding ladder, I can deploy it right up onto the beach. So you can drive up the beach, put the ladder down. You don't have to get in and out of the water, so it's really nice, safe feature, getting on and off the boat. It's got a little shower here to rinse the sand off when you get back in, so you don't get the sand in the upholstery. But this is This is a perfect all-around boat. It does everything very, very well. So if you've got any questions, would like to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.